People, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Fronto Social. Right, this afternoon, I would like to cover 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Africa, Australia, Europe. You know what? How to take care about the torture. How to get torture in your life, in your country, This is the best, torture around the world. We call that, Aceh Jaya district here. This is the most famous in Indonesia nowadays. It's honor this occasion we call about daddy. It's honor how to get care about the turtle here. I myself, this is very totally near by what? By the near a beach, beach, and that over there river. Very totally very familiar with your country from Arkansas, US. If you have no more money to get worrying about that, if you just visit to Aceh, this is where the most important thing in your life. I myself, as a tourist guide, I would like to promote this 5 countries. This is very tall awesome Indonesia nowadays. Alright, please stop by in Aceh. Aceh is the most beautiful thing around the world. If you have to visit this, you want to get that in your life. Alright, now spin it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mending-mending ada yang kena-kena. Jangan nampak ni.